Hello everyone, Janna is here, and I know you haven't seen me for a while, so I thought today I might show up a little bit in my video. So you'll see I have changed a little bit. So my profile pictures are probably going to change too, and so I thought you need to see that it is really me and not some other scammy profiles. So you know that that's what I'm going to look like for now, at least. You never know. So yeah, and in this video, guys, as usual, I am going to share with you the results of trading for this month, actually April we had, and also a bit of a technical overview for gold this coming week. And starting with the results of trading for this month, and I want to show you guys again on the official site, independent site FX Blue, and right now you can see the result is $156,000. Yes, I know this sounds quite a big number, and this month was really good month and very profitable. As you know, gold was moving like crazy, very high volatility, and it worked out perfectly with my strategies, you know, guys, that I use the EA, half automatic, half manual, and also the scalping I call my other system. So I'm combining. The scalping is completely manual system, and as you can see, it works really good. And I just want to show you the main overview of the um, account. So you can see the total balance in here. I have, as you can see, guys, and that's what it shows you here is the same statistics I've been showing you for quite a while. And that's it. That's pretty much it on the results for this month. It was really good month, I have to say. And now I want to show you again my official Telegram channel, where I haven't changed my avatar just yet, but I will be also changing in here. This is where I'm sending my pending orders, sharing with you guys. And as you know, it's all free. And this is my official Janna FX channel. And basically all the links you can find in the description under this video. So this is for the week, but if you'll see for the month, lots and lots of trades I was sharing with you guys are absolutely free. So not that many people doing it for free. And this week also was profitable week, and I'm going to show you also results for this week. Okay, we're going back to statistics, and I'm going to filter. We are going to have showing you previous week. Okay, and this week already, guys, I also have quite a good result. As you can see, it's slightly over $28,000. Yes, another great trading week. And as you can see, nothing is floating. So well, that's pretty much it I wanted to share with you guys. As usual, at this moment everything is going quite well according to the plan, according to my strategy. And now we are going to have a look at the technical picture for gold this coming week. So basically, again, guys, I am going to share with you my pending orders through Telegram channel, and repeating myself that you have to take the risks and responsibilities, money management. It's all up to you. You decide what you're going to do. I only share with you my trading strategy and my results. Okay, so you have to calculate yourself the lot size you want to use, the take profit, stop loss. It's all up to you. Okay, so everything mine is just informational, only showing you, sharing with you only for the information. Okay, just for that. And if you disagree, of course, so please change the channel. Okay, that's it. This is just a quick warning for some of you if you're watching for the first time. So now let's have a look at what happened to gold. This is the week we have. And basically from the previous week, well, remember I said that I put the pair into the downtrend channel at this moment. It looks like we have finally turned around. And but I wanted to point out that we are in this downtrend bigger channel, but at the same time it does look like we might go into a bit of uh, like you see guys, like a wedge, something like this, or pennant, whatever you want to call it, or bit of a triangle. And here you can do also plus minus. It's showing that we are getting quite squeezing in here, and finally we should get out from this area. As you can see, the pair didn't want to go. You see, I thought this week we will be breaking out from the last week and trying to go to around 60, 2360, and we'll be either battling here, trying to break out and possibly go again, create another top, double top, or from there going down. So we see that didn't happen this week. It didn't even try to go to 2360, and it just dropped straight away. But again, it didn't continue to drop and use this a possible support level, right? It started to be earlier, so that's why I just draw this one. And you see it started to going back up and narrowing. You see how narrowing it is. And we actually had, look how messy it was on Friday. All these jumps, ups and downs. It's very, very unpredictable what it wants try to do, if it wants to go up and break out, or it's going to go down and break out. You see, we stuck a little bit at the end of the week in this channel between roughly we have 2312 and 23, right, 2300. So that was previous a little consolidation we had a small double bottom in here, and we're also staying in this area, also looking like a bit of a double bottom, isn't it? So it does look like it might from here try to break out and go higher, but how high would it go? That's the question. And at the same time, of course, you see we have pin up and pin down. So that's why, to be honest, guys, here is nobody going to tell you exactly where the market is going to go. Once again, that's the problem with all this technical overview. Okay, so overall my picture is downtrend, and no matter what it's going to do in here at this moment, technically it's looking as bearish, as downtrendish. Okay, so my expectation that gold will continue to fall. And also we have geopolitical news a little bit with the Israel and Gaza talks about ceasefire. Will they get to the agreement? We don't know. And of course, if it will be ceasefire, presume the gold is going to drop. But with my strategy, really doesn't matter. As you know, I buy, place orders buy, place orders sell, and it all works out very well as long as the gold makes good moves. So, but we just want to see the overview of the possibilities, what can happen. So at the same time, also this looks like kind of like a bullish flag. It could end up, right? This could be bullish wedge or something, or a pennant. This, so it kind of looks more like going up, to be honest, from this area. So I presume it's going to be a really good move, quite strong, because here we didn't have huge moves. I mean, it still did quite well, but I think from this breakout, we're going to have quite, it should be really nice. Well, I mean, okay, if we're going to break out and go higher, again, we have quite a bit of here resistance. We do have the previous consolidation, the area 2312, 2330 something. I think it might go through that straight away if it will be trying to go up. Then we have the top about 2350 and 60, right? And 60 something. Will it be strong enough to try to break out? That's the question. That's the question. The point is, we didn't break out the last Friday. I think all this mess was because also China was on holiday, and we know that China buys a lot of gold. And I think it's going to depends quite a lot on what is China going to do. Are they going to buy again gold because it sees quite low price now for gold, and they will be trying to get more and pushing the price higher, or they're just going to give up and wait for a little bit more movements down for gold, see how low could it go? I mean, like I'm saying, with all this geopolitical situation, if it's going to improve, then of course I would be expecting gold going lower. But technically, at this moment, it's a little bit hard to say, except, of course, if we will be breaking out from here, let's say go down further, then we do have still another previous. Well, I mean, okay, we can use basically Fibonacci levels from the movement, right? Where it was, let's go to daily one. That's where our move started, and it didn't have any um, pullbacks from that, no correction. So that's why we're using this leg of the movement, and we can see where we stopped at this moment. We kind of stopped between 23 and 38. So basically it's uncertainty a lot. So the question is if it's going to break out 38 and go further down to 50, right? So that could be 2200 roughly. So that would be quite a target for the sales, I would say. And then, but again, is it going to go like really sharp this week opening of the market, or is it still going to try to go a bit more smoothly inside this channel, trying to go up high and then continue slowly to go down? That's the really hard to predict at this moment. But I'm going to remove this Fibonacci levels for now, just to make it a little bit more clear, because I have a lot of levels at this moment already, and I don't want to remove them because yes, the market moves between those levels, as we can see, and basically gives me those small consolidations where I can place my orders. Well, that's basically it, guys. At this moment, just can't really say anything else except like it's very quite a bit of uncertainty in here, and market, you see, tried to break out 23.0, and then at the end of the day it came back to 23.01. So you see it's kind of trying to still to stay a little bit higher. And also here is the possible reverse could be is because it's also a double bottom, and we can see with that week we actually took the bottom, the previous bottom. That's what gold likes to do. It likes to take the previous bottoms to tops, create new maximums and minimums, and then turn around. So you see, it's quite possible that it will try to go up, but will it be breaking this area of 2063, or even wherever we have 23.30 first? Well, we have actually 23.12 to break first, then 30, and then go 50 and 60 something, right? Where we do actually have the channel's resistance level. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I can see looking into this area with possible at this moment looking is a bearish, but with possibility of trying to climb up and get to around this area, and then we will see if it will be trying to break up, or actually from here, if it will not break up, then my expectation would be that we are on the way to 200. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Well, basically, if we will break out higher and we'll like sit above, consolidate, then of course I would say we might looking for a new highs to go to 2400 something, as we didn't take those tops. But it's just at this moment it looks a little bit unlikely because of a bit of ease on Middle East situation. Okay, so well, we will see what's this week going to bring. That's it for now, guys. Just some of my thoughts, and of course, happy trading, everyone. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Maybe I will see you in my next video, as usual, next week. Okay. So, well, that's it. Bye for now. Bye.